Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
Hey queens, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be learning how to do stitch braids using the comb method for beginners. So I'm using Got2b gel. I only had that laying around the house and surprisingly, it actually works really well. So I'm going to be using a precision comb for this technique, and everything that I will be using will be linked down below. So make sure you go grab everything that you need. You need your mannequin, you need clips, you need your comb, you need your jam, and your stand. So make sure that you guys go to the link and what you need to practice these stitch braids. Okay, so after you parted your section, the first thing you want to do is put the Got2b gel or jam, whatever you're using, all over the section. And then what you're going to do is part your section down the middle, and then you're going to add your Got2b gel in the part. You want to make sure that your part is actually straight, because that is where your braid is going to end up. So then after you part your middle part, you're going to part a horizontal section, and this is the section that you're going to use to start your braid. Okay, so to start, you want to make sure that the right and the left strands are always going under the middle strand with the underhand technique. When you braid, you want to make sure you are gripping the strand so that it is nice and tight, because if it is loose, the hairstyle will not last. I like to braid it twice before I start stitching. You want to make sure the hair ends up in your left index and thumb finger so you can start stitching from the right. Okay, so now we're going to use the tail end of a metal comb to make our stitches. And instead of making parts on each side of the braid, we're going to make one straight part going across. Once you've made your part, you're going to grab that piece with your left index and thumb finger. Okay, so now we're going to use our right index and thumb finger to grab a new piece that was created. Use your index finger to split the hair in half and grab the left side of the braid. You want to make sure that you pull the left piece so that it lays flat and braid with tension. This technique is great for right-handed braiders just like me, because I always have a hard time parting with the comb on both sides, so I only part the whole stitch on the right side and just grab the piece on the left side. So you want to keep repeating those steps over and over and you will get it. Just be patient with yourself, and it takes time and practice, but if you practice every day the right way, you will definitely get it. I highly advise every braider, even if you're an advanced braider, every braider needs to have a mannequin so that they can practice their craft every day. Because with a mannequin, you can go as slow as you want, you can go as fast as you want, you can time yourself. I suggest that when you're starting out, you need to work on your technique first and then practice your timing and see how fast you can go, because you want the technique down packed first. You don't want to do sloppy work. If your work is not good, your speed does not really matter. So you want to make sure that you practice your technique first and then your speed. So for the rest of the video, I'm going to do close-ups and slow motion so you can get this technique down pat. If you're still having trouble and you have any questions, make sure you comment down below and I will get to them as soon as possible. I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.